Hello, thank you for joining me. This is a short video about how to update your profile on Moodle. So first you go to your profile name in the top right, Preferences, Edit Profile, your first name, surname, email address, country. Importantly is your time zone. I'm set at Tokyo in Asia, and this is important so that if you have any online chats, it'll show you your time zone. You can write a description. Upload a picture. I've already uploaded one. You can drag and drop or upload files here to update your picture. And you can add in additional names, interests, and various different options. I think this is very useful to complete depending on how you're using Moodle. Update my profile. Thank you very much for watching my video.